how to delete custom sticker from iPhone. So one of the ways to delete a custom sticker, you can just go ahead and open up the messages. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just go ahead and enter any chat that you're actually doing. So basically, I'm gonna just go ahead and click the text message, for example. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna click the plus button. In the plus button, you're gonna be able to see stickers, audio, location, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and click the stickers right here, and from here you're gonna be able to see all of the stickers that you sent, right? What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hold the sticker. For example, let's say this one, right? And you're gonna be able, there is no option that allows you to delete that sticker, right? So unfortunately for now, it is not available to delete, but what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to send that text, send that sticker as a message, or you could be able to edit right here. And as you can see, you won't be able to see an option that allows you to delete it. So unfortunately for now, it is not possible, but we will let you know in the future if there is a new update coming. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.